Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we're going to talk about Paltalk. This is a speculative stock, so I'm not talking about the fundamentals here, but I think this stock has high risk, but even higher reward. So let's go over the stock. You can see that the trend is up, so something is going on. It also came down here, and there's a reason for that. So basically, this is a tech company. It's not making a lot of money, but I think they can manage. The earnings are going almost back in the positive. They did have some earnings in 2020, 2021, but other than that, not really a good company. But I'm not buying this because of the fundamentals. I'm buying this because of a peculiar thing, and that's the following. So this company actually is in a lawsuit trial with Cisco because of patent infringement damages, right? The infringement is about 10 billion in revenue from WebEx, which was bought by Cisco. So now they are trying to get some of these damages back. So we're talking about a royalty on those 10 billion in revenue. Now, the amount that they can get back could be 1% to 10%, and the damages could also be enhanced by the judge if he feels the need for that. So we're talking about 100 million to 1 billion. So minimum, this company could get 100 million in cash if they win. And the market cap is only 25 million. So it's easy to see that if they get 100 million in cash, this could easily go 5x. Now, we also don't need to wait that long because the trial is going to start in the coming month. So you can read all of this. Basically, this can go to $5 to $50. So from 2.7 to 5 to 50. So this could spike upwards like this. Could see that they had the same spike a few years ago. And now they could see another of these spikes, right? So that's that. When we look at the balance sheets from March 2023, can easily see that they have 14 million in cash. So, and no debt actually. So, yeah, there is downside protection. We are 25 million, so it could drop maximum 50% from here back to the book value. You need to know there is 6 million in goodwill, so yeah, it could drop indeed 50% if they don't win. But of course, we assume that they will win, and then we will get a result. The 29th of June is the pre-trial, and July the 17th is the trial. So by then we should see results. So we only wait a few months, and then it will go 5x. Now, you can also, of course, sell before the trial. That's another tactic. So instead of waiting until July, you could just sell it because of the run-up. We also had a run-up phase here, but it dropped because the trial was delayed until July. So that's why it dropped. And now it's going slowly back up because the trial is nearing and people want to put some money in this. Still very cheap. They can win easy 5-bagger. I also saw they had some insider buys last year, so they believe in it. And on this chart, I think we are pretty high risk, but very high return. 5x to 10x possible. Actually, it should be more in the medium risk because this is a real company with real earnings. And they have 14 million in cash. So it's not like they have nothing. They do have some cash on hand. So it's a real company, even if they lose the lawsuit. Yeah, you still have shares of a company with revenues, not a lot of earnings, but it has some revenues. Okay, some more details. So this is the patent infringement details. We have the judge Alan Albright. The hedge with our initial report was standard venue. So they had some big victories. Apparently, Judge Albright is a very good judge and will probably give a positive spin on this. So we have a good judge. Other than that, they have ruled in favor of the definition of multiplexed stream. Okay. In favor of adding structure. Not sure what that means. But apparently this is a big win. And will increase the likelihood of Paltalk winning. Then we had some rejections from Cisco. So Cisco had some arguments about this patent claim and they were invalidated. So that's another win for Paltalk. Cisco has been rejected from this claim and there's no respect gained from this. Another win. Then we have another advantage for Paltalk. Not sure about all of these details, but you can read it. So something about WebEx. Recent cases. Yeah, there was a lawsuit that was settled for 25 million. So that's interesting. Some companies were able to settle it, and Paltalk is much stronger this time. Yeah. Bottom line, favorable to Paltalk. And they think that settlement is the outcome. Again, looks good, especially this rejection of the Cisco ruling. So I bought some shares, not a lot. Don't put all your savings in this. This is just a casino play, a lottery ticket. Could bring you a double, triple easily if they win. If they lose, you don't lose that much if you don't put too much money in it. Just an idea, looks interesting, and read about it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.